after the 737 from your right, taxi to stand 4.
737 from the right, taxi stand 4, easy, Belgian, Olney 2 Charlie.
November 585 Delta Whiskey, Luton Radar, hello, climb 92, altitude 6,000 feet.
Charlie.
So the helicopter just entering zone to the south, going to watch the tower for the cross, contact Luton Tower, call sign only, 132, decimal 555, goodbye.
132, 555, goodbye, 1 Big Delta.
November 5 Delta Whiskey, fly heading 315.
Fly heading 315, Delta Whiskey.
Easy 10 Victor Delta, Luton, sir, hello, continue approach.
Continue approach, easy 10 Victor Delta.
Whiskey 9552, are you Alpha intersection able?
Yes,
Whiskey 9552, stand 46, push back and start of approved to within the apron.
push and start approved within the apron, just confirm Alpha able, let's go 9552, not Bravo.
Whiskey 9552, my apologies, are you Bravo able?
Hey, 9552, sir.
Thank you.
Let's go 518, when ready, speed 220 knots.
When ready, 220 knots, let's go 518.
Let's go 7 Hotel Mike, descend to altitude 5,000 feet.
Banner 750 November, contact Tower 132.555.
Tower 132, 555, Rhino 75, Sierra November. Luton Tower, hello, Rhino 75, Sierra November, taxi on Bravo 1, ready for departure.
Rhino 75, Sierra November, Luton Tower, roger.